You people, I keep coming out and telling you. Number one fashion for a human being, I should say. Number one fashion for a human being is confidence. Wear that confidence and step out. No one should tell you otherwise. Wear that confidence and step out. If someone comes and tells you, oh, you have a big nose, you tell them it's my nose. Is it your nose? Did I ever say it was paining me? Did I ever say that I was suffering from it? Is it a disease? Is it a disease, guys? No. That is how I was created. There is nothing I'm going to do about it. The same way you have issues with your body, the same way you have issues with whatever issues you have with your body, darling, it is the same way. I am not perfect. Who said I was perfect? Did I ever come out here and tell you guys I'm perfect? No. So the same way I am not perfect, the same way you're not perfect. Let people be. Yeah? Let people be.